Do you know that making another recipe from leftovers are very delicious? In my today's video, I'll be making vegetable soup that you can see on your screen right now with these three items. Okay, let's say four because I'll be adding some dried prawns with other ingredients which will be listed in the description below. Welcome back, guys, to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. Returning subscribers, thank you always for coming back. And if you're new here, do well by subscribing to the channel, share, like, and comment about the video. And I hope you enjoy this video. Please read captions on the screen as I won't be talking much. And I'll be right back at the end, okay? Thank you all for watching as you continue to watch the video. Doesn't the vegetable soup look delicious and yummy already? I hope you enjoyed every process of the making. If you did, please do me a favor by commenting what the eyes of the video was for you. Like and share. And if new here, please smash the subscribe button and I will see you in my next video. Let me quickly go and dish Oga's food before they sack me. See you next time. Bye.